So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to find years ago posts on Facebook. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, open your Facebook app and just go to 3 lines. Now here you can see memories, right? Just tap on it. From here you can check all your posts from years and years. You can also share these posts from here itself. So this is how you can find years ago posts on Facebook. So thank you for watching.